Kilo shele, una no go allow we single people rest. Since this year, single people have never rested. Waiting they sup. From one wedding to the other, from one marriage proposal to the other. Kilo shele kwanu, keifene emezinu. I be think say this guy na very strong guy, hard guy. Now hard guy they don't I'm happy for him. Sha, they easy to after gambling and all that you come decide to settle down. I'm happy for him and I pray that this marriage will last. Yes, it will not turn out to be celebrity marriage. It will last to the very end. They will live together forever. This is our prayer to Yhemolee, and so shall it be. Guys, typing congratulations for them. They easy. And as you are typing for them, your own is on its way. Your man, they knock for at your door now. So accept him. So they form James Brown. Everybody done they get married though. Make yourself prepare. Ngwano. Bye.